I've been okay, yeah. I've been okay, I've been alright. I've been messing around with this girl for a minute. She just came down in the summer for a visit. We just right now in the moment, so we live it. I've been okay, I've been alright. I've been getting down with this girl for a minute. Moving all around with this.
สวัสดีค่ะ Amazing people how are you doing our dessert today is called ขนมบ้าบิน and when I look up in the Google translation it's called that devil dessert I was oh my god why the name is so scary anyway ขนมบ้าบิน is I would like to say Thai coconut rice cake because it made from the coconut and the glutinous rice flour. So today I got the pure taro root. You can also get the same thing as in the package. It's easier, to cook. And then if your area doesn't have the young coconut thread, so I recommend that we can get the frozen coconut strip, which is easy and ready to use. Let's start it.
I've been okay, yeah. I've been okay, I've been alright. I've been messing around with this girl for a minute. She just came down in the summer for a visit. We just right now in the moment, so we live it. I've been okay, I've been alright. I've been getting down with this girl for a minute. Moving all around with this girl, gonna miss it. Living right now for the memories it's good. Good time, drinking all night. In the summer when the air's nice, every day is a new life. We live it so right, skinny dipping by the poolside. We know we'll have a good time. We're drinking all night. In the summer when the air's nice, every day is a new life. We live it so right, skinny dipping by the poolside.
We just had a sipping, drinking, smoking on some medicine. And we like to have our parties leaning towards the feminine. Always rep our city cause you know we from the west side. Always keep it filthy cause you know we from the best side. Bitches always knocking on my door and yeah, let them in. Cause the ladies know that I'm a motherfucking gentleman. Only worries making music and I let the rest slide. Keep on doing what I love until the day I must die. Late nights, late shows, ladies in the front row. Wanna take her back home, tour bus all alone. Adding me on Snapchat, yeah, kinda like that. Sending me your fine ass, helping with the time pass. Bright lights, face notes, always on the toll road. Back to back we stole shows, this'll never get old. All in different time zones, need to pay back my loans. Cause the girls I buy for, always wanna buy more.
I've been okay, I've been alright. I've been messing around with this girl for a minute. She just came down in the summer for a visit. We just right now in the moment, so we live it. I've been okay, I've been alright. I've been getting down with this girl for a minute. Moving all around with this girl, gonna miss it. Living right now for the memories it's getting. We know how to have a good time. We're drinking all night. In the summer when the air's nice, every day is a new life. We live it so right, skinny dipping by the poolside. We know how to have a good time. We're drinking all night. In the summer when the air's nice, every day is a new life. We live it so right, skinny dipping by the poolside.
Hand me the tequila cause I'm feeling like a Mexican. Chasing with caffeine, now I can feel it, my adrenaline. I'll be drinking, doing this until the day I must die. Never gonna doubt that I know how to have a good time. When it comes to life, you gotta balance all the ethics and take a risk or you will miss and pass away regretting it. I just wanna look back and remember all the good times. Fill my life with memories of late nights and some good times. Big stage, big crowd, everybody get loud. Backstage in the south, up north in the clouds, losing every bit of doubt. As we overcome the drought, we just party so loud, cause we made it somehow. Tank top, snaps back, yeah we run it like that. Represent to make cash, yeah we never look back. G6 in the sky, yeah we like to fly by. Lambo so tight, yeah we like to drive by. Oh yeah, I roll up to the party with the handle of Bacardi, and I pass it on to all of my friends. Oh yeah, she rolls up to the party in a dress that shows her body, and she's hanging out with all of her friends. Yeah, yeah, let's go. Yeah, she wants to play it like that. Look her in the eyes and she's looking right back. Feel the heat rise with the right contact. She's playing with her hair, so I know she likes that. Yeah, I can feel the beat now. All I wanna do is get her out of the crowd, and on the dance floor with the bass so loud, making my move through the room right now. She used to dance with them. She never danced again. Something in her is dead, but now she has a chance again. So dance, baby, dance again. Take my hand, baby, dance again. It's your chance, baby, dance again. Let's just dance, baby, dance again.
I make it two style, so in case it take too long for make a circle, you can make the whole pan and cut the pieces like me. Let's taste it. It's like, ooh. The taro and coconut, when it get heat up on the pan, it make it more flavor and smell so good. Oh my god. I love the coconut taste in my mouth. I hope you enjoy my daredevil dessert. No, I'm kidding. I mean the Thai coconut rice cake. And thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.